The Modify Fillet feature allows you to remove fillets or change the radius value even if you do not have access to the fillet feature in the feature list. This is a great tool to change fillets on imported parts. The Modify Fillet feature is located in the feature toolbar with the other direct editing tools. Select the filleted faces you need to modify. In this example, I want to change the radius value of a few fillets on the handle. Let's select the filleted faces, choose the Change Radius option in the pull-down, and input the desired value. If you prefer to remove the fillets completely, select the Remove Fillet option from the pull-down and select the filleted faces to delete. Note, I am using the Create Selection tool to select all the filleted faces of the same size. This tool will be discussed in a future video. If there are multiple fillets that blend together, such as in a corner, you can check the Reapply Fillet checkbox for the change to affect the blend.